Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another limited edition from Beauty Bay and it is the Breakout Box. A huge box jam-packed with 16 products suitable for blemish prone skin. Now Beauty Bay released 2 boxes. The other one, the Hydration Edit, that sold out within the day, and at time of filming this is still available. This is a few days later now. It retails for £40. It has a whopping value of £236. They're limiting the boxes to 1 purchase per person, and if you're interested in this for yourself, then as always you will find the link down below in my description, as well as any discount codes if I can find. Now Beauty Bay doesn't often do discount codes, or they sometimes do like free next delivery codes or something like that, but whatever I can find, then you'll find it listed down there, as well as all my discount codes and offers to other websites. So yeah, you're welcome to take a look if you want to. The reason I went for this one is because myself and my daughter are suffering from spots at the moment. We have been for a while. My daughter's 17, she's nearly 18, and obviously I'm a lot older. Shouldn't be having spots at my age, but there you go. And there's so many products in here that are really, really great. It just made sense to go for this one. So it'd be a box for us both to share, and I doubt maybe for my younger son as well. He's a bit younger. He's yeah, follows after me with his skin as well, poor thing. But anyway, let's get on to unboxing it. Look, there's loads of things in there. There's loads of things. Beauty Bay always do jam-packed boxes. They release limited editions every couple of months or so, but yeah, there's always like a waiting list beforehand. So as soon as I spot that they've got some boxes coming up, then I'll post up everywhere. On my Facebook, on my Instagram, on here as well, on the community page. So if you want to get your name down to be notified, then yeah, so I'll do that as soon as I find out. So starting off with something I have used before. This is B by Beauty Bay, their own brand. This is 1% salicylic acid and zinc PCA. It's a cleansing gel. It works to unclog pores and improve skin texture. You can use it AM and PM, and there's 150 mils. We've got this in our bathroom at the moment. I received it in one of their other beauty boxes. Don't know when, can't remember. Salicylic acid helps to reduce the appearance of breakouts by gently exfoliating and unclogging pores. Zinc PCA, known for its antioxidant properties, and sodium PCA nourishes and keeps the skin's surface hydrated. It's a clear gel cleanser. My daughter is using this more than what I am at the moment. I'm currently using Eradicate by Kate Somerville. They've just brought out, well I say just, in the last month or two, they brought out a clay-like cleanser from their blemish range, and it's so good. It is really good. So we've got a cleanser. Then we've got Eucerin. This is for blemish prone skin, and it's a dermo purifier, oil control, post-acne mark protection. It's a protective fluid with SPF 30, so it visibly reduces post-acne marks. Used in the morning or as often as needed. It helps to prevent blemishes, it soothes irritations, delivers a long-lasting dry matte finish, and it contains UVA, UVB filters to protect the sun. To protect your skin from the sun, and it's SPF 30. This is perfect for me. I am getting pigmentation on my skin after blemishes. They just don't want to heal. I think it is the older I'm getting, the harder it is for my skin to just go back normal without no marks. Every single spot I have is leaving marks on my skin, which I hate. But yeah, this sounds really good, so I think I might be keeping that for myself. Plus I use SPF 30 in the like winter, springtime as well. So yeah, really excited about that. Then I got Bubble. This is a Level Up Balancing Gel Moisturiser, and there's 20 mils there. Apply 1 to 2 bumps to clean skin and use twice daily. And that is it. But I'll be able to find some information on the Beauty Bay website. That's really nice. Really nice, lightweight, liquidy. A nice gel moisturiser there. Balancing moisturiser. Then we got Aurelia London, which is a beautiful brand. This is niacinamide clay mask. I haven't tried this and I love clay masks. Deep cleansing treatment mask with charcoal, salicylic acid and probiotics. There's 20 grams here. Encapsulated charcoal and a blend of powerhouse ingredients deeply cleanse skin without drying, while kaolin clay, niacinamide, salicylic acid and witch hazel targets blemishes. They do a beautiful cleanser. Beautiful moisturiser, and no doubt I love this as well. Let's see what that's like on my skin. I tend to do my masks on a Sunday night. We got Avene. This is a localized drying emulsion, anti-marks for oily blemish prone skin. 15 mils there. Okay, hopefully it'll tell me more information on the side. If I can find the English. Okay, oh, the writing's really small. Reduction of the appearance of imperfections from day one. Apply a thin layer 2 to 3 times a day to area needed. So it's a drying liquid to try and heal the skin and, yeah, get rid of marks. Anti-marks. Well, it sounds good, doesn't it? But I'm gonna have to read up a little bit more about that. But yeah, just when I'm having a no makeup day, that'll be quite handy to use. Just dab it all over my face and my daughter. So there's that. We got a toner here. This is a liquid exfoliant with 5% glycolic acid and 1% PHA. It works to exfoliate and decongest the skin. And there's 150 mils here. And again, this is by Beauty Bay, their own brand. Alpha hydroxy acids, AHAs, such as glycolic acid, chemically exfoliate the skin to refine, help brighten and improve uneven skin tone. Glyconolactone, I think that's what it is, PHA, is a polyhydroxy acid which delivers gentle exfoliation, helping to promote softer and smoother skin. You can use it with your hands or a cleansing pad. You use it 2-3 times a week if you have sensitive skin. Otherwise, you can use it daily. So I like the fact it's got 5% glycolic acid in there. So yeah, so we've got a liquid exfoliator there. We've got Derma Doctor 8 Misbehaving. This is a medicated acne control serum. There's 30 mils. Nope, I don't know about this one. Again, it contains salicylic acid, 2%. For the treatment of acne, clears up acne blemishes and allows skin to heal, helps keep skin clean and clear of new blemishes. A Derm Doctor cult classic, this lightweight, gentle yet effective moisturising base helps mattify, clarify and leave skin feeling fresh and hydrated. As with most blemish solutions, they do say that you might find that your skin can become a little bit dry. If that does happen, then just use it once a day or once every other day and just build up gradually to using it twice a day. And then you can apply your moisturisers and makeup and whatever you want then on top. Oh, we got Dr. Jar. This is Cicapair Tiger Grass Repair Cream, designed for sensitive skin. There's 50 mils here. Gorgeous brand. The tiger grass, another name is Centella asiatica, and it helps to reduce redness in your skin. It's brilliant for sensitive skins, acne prone skin and rosacea, any inflammation. It's really, really good. So this is soft cream, moisturizes and soothes a look of red, irritated skin. You see it's got a bit of a green tinge to it. I have tried this before. It's really, really lovely. There. It does blend into your skin well. I know it looks a bit green on my hand there, but it does blend in nicely and it does feel so, so nice. It's a treatment lotion to soothe and help tone down redness in the skin. We got B by Beauty Bay. This is a breakout clearing serum, 2% salicylic acid, 1% bakuchiol. So it helps to reduce the appearance of breakouts and even out skin tone. You can use it AM and PM, and there's 45 mils there. So salicylic acid, it reduces the appearance of congestion, redness and breakouts. Bakuchiol refines skin texture and evens out skin tone. And succinct acid reduces shine and excess oil. So this might be more suitable for my daughter. I haven't actually got really oily skin. I went through a phase a couple of months ago of having really oily skin, but it seems to have balanced out a bit now. It's gone back to being more combination, but I'm still coming out of acne, but just weirdly, just on my chin. It's all hormonal. I've got polycystic ovary syndrome and it's had a massive flare up in the last year or two, so I'm trying to combat it. But yeah, just on my chin, nowhere else on my face. But yeah, I think this one will suit my daughter, I think. Then we've got some tools. Oh my gosh, this is not great with me because, yeah, digging and prodding does not help. But it depends. You don't want to be gouging out your spots and your blackheads, you know, because your skin is delicate. You don't want to leave scarring behind made by you and not necessarily your spot in the first place. This is a blackhead remover set. There's loads of tools in there to get out blackheads. Now I don't have blackheads, funny enough. Nope, no blackheads. I don't know if my daughter actually has. I think my son does. Let's give you an idea of the tools. So, do any of you watch Dr. Pimple Popper on TikTok? My parents are obsessed with her. They absolutely love it. I love watching her do blackheads, but when it comes to cysts, no way. I can't watch. But no, my parents love it. They watch it on, I don't know what TV channel. I don't know. We got some patches. This is Starface, Hydrostar and Refillable Compact, hydrocolloid, is that how you say it? Hydrocolloid, pimple patches in cute little star shapes. There's 32 there. I loved patches. My favourite is Zit Sticker, but it's so expensive. But I do buy them regularly because they're handy if I've got like a special occasion, or if I'm just going out meeting a friend or something and I've got a massive zit brewing. Then it's really, really good. I do really like them, but they're not everyday use because they're so expensive. 4 little patches are £15, just to give you an idea. But I love this. It's so cute. Yeah, you just apply to clean skin, leave overnight and take it off in the morning. Look, you've got a little pouch, a little box. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Look, you've got a mirror and then they're all there. Look. I really like that. Hydrostars are made from hydrocolloid. I'm sure that's not how you say it. A material that's clinically proven to help absorb fluid and reduce the appearance of inflammation to shrink spots overnight. They also act as a gentle reminder to avoid skin picking. I love that. It's a bit quirky, a bit different, and yeah, I'll give it a go. Oh my gosh, I have got a product by Zit Sticker. I didn't realise. I didn't even know that Beauty Bay did Zit Sticker, the expensive patches I was on about. But yeah, this is a cushion cleanse, a balancing facial cleanser for acne-prone skin. Oh, this is going to be mine then. This is going to be nice. I love the brand anyway. Yeah, there's 140 mils. Gosh, I wonder how much this costs. Found your nutrient-dense cleanser for acne-prone skin. It's a balancing, lightly foaming, gentle cleanser that deep cleans pores, soothes breakouts and guards your barrier without stripping its natural oils. A blend of gentle acids brighten and polish, while hard-working botanicals cushion to protect. Oh, look, it even looks nice, doesn't it? It smells of just naturally nice, subtle smell. But it's a cushion cleanse, balancing cleanser. We've already had a balancing cleanser, haven't we? No, not a balancing cleanser. We have had something balancing moisturizer, but we've had the Beauty Bay salicylic cleanser. But yeah, it's exciting. I didn't know that was in there. Then we've got niacinamide serum by the Inky List. This is formulated for all skins, helps to control excess oil and reduce the appearance of redness. It's a naturally occurring B3. There's 30 mils here. You can use it day and night. It says here, if you have more sensitive skin, use niacinamide before retinol to help decrease irritation. I've just bought myself some tretinoin from abroad. I used to use tretinoin years ago when I had really bad acne, and then it was really hard to get, and then you can only get it now in the UK if you sign up for like for Skin and Me and things like that. I had a look on a website I used to use years ago and it was there. I think I paid like £6.50 or something like that for it. So I got 2 tubes of tretinoin, but it's 0.025, which is what I was using when I did take out a Skin and Me subscription. So that's nice to know actually, that I could use niacinamide serum beforehand. But yeah, let's see how it goes. Anyway, I can't use it until after I've had my eyebrows microbladed, so I'm not allowed to go anywhere near anything like that near my eyebrows. So I've got to wait a couple of weeks and then I can use it. So I've got here, this is a Last Object Pro, eliminates 250 single-use rounds. This is a makeup wipe, a reusable one. I had one of these before, possibly in another Beauty Bay box, and I didn't have a clue what it was really. I was thinking, okay, it's a pad, but it feels really rough. But no, you wet it and it gets bigger and softer, and then you dry it. But it's reusable anyway. We've got Bondi Sands. This is a daily moisturising face, SPF with 50+, very high protection, fragrance-free, water-resistant lotion with vitamin E, 72-hour hydration, suitable for sensitive skin, and there's 10 mils there. So it's a little mini one. And then lastly, we've got Clean Skin Club Clean Towels XL, 10 bio-based facial towels. The Clean Towels are a Clean Skin Club original creation. Now, I haven't heard about this before. Have you heard of the Clean Skin Club? I can't say it. They are disposable facial towels made of ultra soft premium viscose to be a hygienic alternative to regular face towels and an all-round staple in your beauty routine and home. Once you try them, you'll never want to go back to using your old washcloths. You don't want me reading absolutely every single detail. But let's have a look at what they look like then. Yeah, I've made a right mess of that look. So there's 10, I'll take one out and show you, but there's 10 in there. They're nice and thin, they feel soft. They just feel like nice kitchen towels. But I'm a bit confused. Are they biodegradable? Disposable facial towels. The whole point of using your regular facial cloths is because you can wash them and reuse them afterwards, isn't it? But these are disposable. I like the idea of them. Possibly really great to bring on holiday or a weekend away or something like that. But yeah, I've made a right mess. But no, I'm gonna have to look into that a little bit more. Yeah, it's a bit different, isn't it? Those are the 16 products that are in the Breakout Beauty Edit from Beauty Bay. Still available on their website. It costs £40. It has a whopping value of £236 and I really love it. I really love it. I think there's so many great products in there. Definitely a box for me and my daughter and possibly my youngest son to share as well. Yeah, really excited to try the Zit Sticker Cleanser. I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of it? Did you go for it or did you go for the hydration edit? Or you're watching this thinking, I'm not too sure. I'd love to hear. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.